Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm going to be fishing this random creek I found. I've got somewhere to be, but I have about 2-3 hours to fish it. I don't know much about it, but I heard pretty good things, so we'll have to see. Hopefully I catch some stuff. Oh, I saw him eat it. Ah, I don't think I set the hook too good on him. Ooh, this thing slammed it right at the current break. Oh, that looks like a decent one. Oh, that's a decent one. You sucker. It's just getting my net out. My hook set must really suck today. It's 2 in a row. He hit so light. I just felt a little tap. That's another good one. Oh yeah. Get out of those rocks. Dude, that's a good one. Nice. Got him in the net. I finally got a net too, so I can get a good look at my fish. Hold on. Get some line out here. This is a lot nicer. I see why people do this. Instead of fiddling around and trying to lip them, just put them in the net. That's definitely over a pound for sure. I'd say probably close to 1.5 pounds, maybe like 14 or 15 inches. That's definitely not bad. He was barely hooked too, so I don't know. I must just be off today. Hopefully I can get plenty more where that came from. Set him free. That net I got, it's really nice. It's magnetic release, so, and it has like a slinky on it, so I can just carry it around on my bag. Then when I need it, I just pull it down. That's too shallow here. This is definitely a really healthy fishery, holy crap. It's like 1,000,000 little babies. See if anything's back there. Okay, I just saw a big old bass swim up there. So I think I'm gonna catch one more. It'll be right here. Oh, there we go. It's a little smaller, but still a pretty good size. Looks like about 1 pound. Yeah, check that guy out. Definitely smaller than the last one. About 1 pound. I'm down. Beautiful colors on them though. Real pretty fish. Let's get them back. Something hit it. Oh, something's on it. Oh, that was so weird. I think he must have just like engulfed the thing and sat there. I didn't even know he was on. Yeah, it must be a real little one, dude. I've hooked this thing like 5 times. I think he finally had enough of it. I can see a tree down in the water. Gotta cast to that. Oh, something little has it, dude. I was like fighting with something the whole time. I'm like, what the heck? Oh, we don't need a net for this guy. That's a little guy. Maybe about 6 inches at most. He's got a little bit of them spots and black spots like the ones at Loyal Hannah Creek. All right, we'll set him free. These are hitting so weird today. I don't know what it is. Come here, buddy. When we're going down in size, this one's maybe 5 inches. Yeah, it's still fun though. It's like I didn't even feel him hit it or anything. I didn't even know he was on. I felt like resistance, so I just set the hook. I bet you there's some more in there. That looks like a pretty good hole. Oh, there we go. Oh, there was a big one following it. Dude, there is a big one following this thing. Same size. I want to see if I can get that big one. Might tie on what I wanted to do down there. Ton of yum dinger. Get a better look. Oh, I could see a big one down there. Dude, I could see a bunch of them. Holy crap. See if they'll hit the Hellgrammite. Oh, I'm just twitching it. Dude, there is a bunch of them down there. They look like pretty good ones too. No way. That is like the honey hole. I know the camera's not gonna be able to see that. That's crazy. Dude, there's a big old carp. I don't think y'all can see that. Dude, the amount of fish down there is just crazy right now. Well, something went for it. Oh, I got one. Oh, he went under the log. Come on, come back. He went under the log. I saw him on the other side. Oh, I don't know if I have him still. I think he got off. Shoot, I think he snagged me on the log. Well, I kind of wish I was recording this, but I actually got my Hellgrammite back. I am able to stand here. It's a little shallower than I thought, and then I just stepped on the line and snagged right under the log. See if I can get another one to hit it. Oh, something had it. That was a bass, I think. It's like they're mixed. It's weird. There's trout and bass just like all schooled up together. Oh, I just got a big one. That's a big bass. Oh no, don't go under the log, man. Come on. I shouldn't be standing here. It's kind of my fault too. Oh, yes. Oh, just as the hook came out. Just as the hook came out, I got him. That's a good one. Dude, that is a solid, that's a solid 2-pounder right there at least. It's gotta be like 18, I'd say 18 inches. Oh, this is the perfect thumbnail. Just hold them in different ways. I'll screenshot it later. All right, I got a photo real quick and that, so we'll release them. Almost dropped my rod in there. That would not have been good. Dude, that is such a freaking huge carp. Let's see, I don't think you guys can see that by that log. It's like, yeah, no, there's no way you can see it now. There's another really big carp. Kind of right where I'm pointing. You can see him swimming around down there. Dude, I want that carp to bite. That'd be so cool. I doubt he will though. He's looking at it. There's no way. Oh yeah, he swam past it. Dude, that could literally... I used to fish for carp all the time. I'm thinking about actually like doing it again just for a video, because it's actually a lot of fun. But that could be my PB carp right there. Like my best carp ever was 20 pounds, pretty much even. Dude, that thing literally looked like a 20-pounder. There we go. Woo! Dude, that thing was a jumper. There we go. Woo! I hope it got how high that thing flew, man. That thing jumped like 5 feet out of the water. All right, throw them back. Dude, there's just a bunch in here, man. I'm gonna just keep fishing until I either lose my lure or time runs out. No point in changing it if it's working. I just can't get over like how many. I can just see them all swimming around down here. I could stand here all day and catch them. I'm not gonna reveal the name of this creek anymore. When I shot the intro, I was gonna say where this is, but I'm not gonna do it anymore. All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, I came here today as kind of like a last minute thing. So I have other people doing other things in this part of the state, and I took the car, so I have to leave and pick them up. So I'm not gonna bother to change my lure out. I'm just gonna quickly fish all the holes that I fished on the way up. But I'm glad to get out of the house, man. Like, I've just been working nonstop. I worked the past 6 days. Got to work a little bit tomorrow. I worked an 11-hour shift last night. So like, it feels great to just get out and get on the water and catch some fish. And I'd say this little creek rivals the Little Pigeon River down in Tennessee that I fish. Like, the fishing here is just crazy good. I'm definitely not going to say the name of this one, but if you're from around here, you might know it. And I'll definitely come back. It's a little bit of a hike from my house, but I'm definitely going to come back like multiple times, especially next year. something had it. Well, this little guy just attacked it. See if he'll come back for it. There we go. Got him. Dude, this thing's only like 3 inches long. He's so aggressive for his size. He's about the size, he's a little bigger than the lure. The lure's almost the same size as him. It's a better one. Oh, that's actually a really good one. It's a lot better than I thought. That's a good one. Barely hooked too. It's probably like, that's probably 1.5 pounds, maybe close to 2. Dude, he's got them spots all over him too. Not all of them were like that here. All right, get a good look at him. We'll throw him back. Dude, I just don't want to leave, man. That's so funny. Well, I'm not going to keep casting like repetitively. One cast in each spot and then I'll reel it back in. All right, got a good look at this guy. Throw him back. Here's one. Right, throw him back. Ah, I got myself with the hook. Now I know how the fish feel. I'll be all right. Gonna move on. This log here is a real honey hole. Throw a couple casts in here. Oh, that's a snag. That might have ended the fishing trip here. Go out on that log and see if I can get it. If not, then that's it. I should be getting back to the car already anyway. So don't want to fall off. Yeah, this is kind of sketchy. All right, guys. With that concludes the fishing trip for today. I was only out here for about 2.5 hours, and I lost count of how many fish I caught. I'd love to sit out here all day and just keep catching them, but I gotta go. So I'll definitely come back. I'll definitely come back to this spot and try it again. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.